Hello and welcome. My name is Florian Lehmann and I'm going to present you the work Heartbeats in the Wild, a field study exploring ECG biometrics in everyday life. I have worked on this topic together with my colleague Daniel Buschek. We are both from the University of Bayreuth. With our work, we have explored whether it's possible to distinguish people based on heartbeats. The technology to do so has already arrived in the consumer market. For instance, as you can see in the picture, the Apple Watch Series 4 can measure the electrocardiogram, or short ECG. It's mainly used for health applications. But pioneering work showed that the ECG can be used as a biometric as well. However, most research relied on data from lab studies or from public medical databases. This is why Sing & Sing called for field studies. And there was already a field study, but only with 5 participants. With our study, we wanted to fill this gap and ran a field study with 20 participants. Overall, we collected the data for 1 week. To obtain the signals from the participants, we used a MovieSense ECG Move chest belt tracking device. We evaluated the data in 2 scenarios. Scenario 1 was a random subsampling approach in which we ignored the order of cardiac cycles and days. In scenario 2, we kept the order of days and cardiac cycles. Additionally, we varied the amount of enrollment and validation days. For evaluation, we applied a machine learning model and used 3 classifiers to test it. What did we find from the evaluation? We found the more variability there is in the training data, the better classification works. Taking up to 15 heartbeats can improve classification, but it's still less robust than in lab studies. Responses by the participants on the questionnaire showed an aversion to use ECG trackers for biometrics. We conclude that it's possible to distinguish people by their heartbeats in everyday life. We see the need for future studies to go beyond lab studies and to evaluate such systems in the intended application contexts. ECG data is sensitive data that holds information about your identity and your health state. That is why we think that privacy is an important part when designing ECG biometric systems and should always be done responsibly. Thank you for watching.